How's it going today, YouTube? Today we're going to be installing a dash mounted rail system. This one specifically comes with the parts to mount your phone. This is from Amazon. I think it's a Picatinny rail. I'm probably not saying that the best. Here is what is included in the kit. Sorry, hopefully that was on there. You got a couple wrenches, you got 3 screws. Yeah, so pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and put part of this together outside here. So hoping this doesn't actually take too long. So Lifestyle Off-Road does have its own kit, but somebody messaged me and asked if I'd try this, so I thought, what the heck, why not? Right now the Lifestyle Off-Road version we are out of, and I'm not sure if we'll even bring it back or not. It was a big piece of metal, and I found that mine kind of became a radiator in the sun, so might be a good thing in the winter though, actually, so I might have to pull that back out. But so you have these 3 bolts to actually mount the top part of the rail on here, and again this Allen's wrench came with it. Just tighten those down. So you have that, and then you have this piece. This is going to slide, and this bolt is going to be what locks into place. So that is the other side. You're going to undo that bolt, and you're going to take this bolt all the way out, and then this rail should just slide on there. There we go. So just like that. So then you can pick wherever you want to put it. I'm actually going to put my, for now, closer to the driver's side. Nope, that's the passenger side. No, that is the driver's side. I'm overthinking it. So we're going to tighten that down. And this doesn't need to be super tight. Okay, so now this bolt will come off. And then we will mount this piece so that we can get our phone in the right orientation. I know somebody's gonna make the comment about me doing this on my hood, but my truck is vinyl wrapped and ceramic coated. I am not gonna hurt this wrap with a couple little small tools. Get that lined up. Maybe. There we go. Tighten this up. So once these bolts are in place, you shouldn't need to adjust them. I mean, I'd throw these Allen wrenches in your glove box or whatever anyway, but if you need any adjustments, you should just be able to use this thumb screw here. Oops. Tighten that up. Okay, got that on there. Undo this last piece. I'm having a heck of a time getting these lined up. Okay, so there we go. Now we just have to put this in the Bronco, put this bolt in there, and tie that down. Okay, so you have your accessory point. You are just going to take this, and it actually, I didn't even realize this at first, these feet actually grip into that. So it actually makes it super sturdy. That's really smart, without adding a bunch of bolts. So you still just use this one centralized bolt, but it really locks into place. I really like that. Yeah, because you don't want to wrench this down too tight, but okay, I could tighten that up a little bit, but there you go. Easy. Took me, I mean, I'm doing this in 2 takes. Didn't take me hardly any time at all. What do you think? I think that's pretty slick. So I'm not going to put my phone up there all the time, because I mean, that takes up the entire windshield. But oops, you can just kind of fold it down out of the way. I might end up actually taking this loose and sliding it over there, but that gives you an idea. Easy to install, easy to remove. What do you think? I'll have the link for it down below. Thanks for watching.